guys, Shotgun Shanny here. This is my video response for GARYMANDIEVAN'S, I hope I'm saying that right, contest giveaway. He's giving away a Glock 26 Gen 4, which is a very, very nice and very generous prize to be giving away. He's asking to show you shooting your favorite rifle, pistol, revolver. So we say we shoot my favorite rifle today. Smith & Wesson MP AR-15. Shooting 5.56s through it today. Let's load her up and couple off.
You still need glasses? I heard people get
fun. He's also asking for a shout out. I can't pick just one, so I'm going to send a few shout outs to Deputy Sheriff 100, my girl Lady Garden Hoe, and Mike Chrome Freak Run 3. There's so many that I would love to say hi to, but I can't just pick one. So thanks y'all for hanging out with me today on the range, shooting my Smith & Wesson MP AR-15, shooting the 5.56 today. I think that's it. We'll see you on the range. Shotgun Shanny out.